In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Windows apps or programs open and close immediately on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. Then you have to click on System on the left pane. Scroll down and you have to click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. So here, once you find the Windows Store apps with the Run button corresponding to it, run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations to fix the issue. That will also automatically fix the issue for you. So simply run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Then once done, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful tutorials for you. Next method is you have to click on the Start button and go to Settings. Click on Apps on the left pane. So here you have to simply locate for the problematic apps. Click on Installed Apps. So once you find that problematic application, let's say for example, we have this one, the snipping tool, which is the problematic application. Click on the three dots and then select Advanced Options. Scroll down and you have to click on the Repair button. After you have repaired it, see if it has fixed the issue. But if not, go back to the same window and click on the Reset and Reset button once again. After so, you have to right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So that's it. Again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.